The CERACLAD Rainscreen exterior siding system creates a ventilation layer to keep moisture out. This video will show a step-by-step horizontal panel installation. A circular saw, fiber cement blade, level, metal snips, drill, and hammer will be needed. This demo will show how to install the panels, starter bars, space bars, clips, screws, joiner bars, and face fasteners. On a wall prepared with a water-resistive barrier, the horizontal starter bar is attached at the base of the installation, above the sill flashing. The starter bar must be level. Attaching a joiner bar provides a perpendicular termination point for the panels. The first panel is now ready for placement. The bottom shiplap edge rests on the horizontal starter bar. The top is fastened with clips. On a wood stud, only one screw is needed. Clips can be spaced by a maximum of 16 inches. The second panel rests on the installed clips below and seats with the factory-installed gasket. If there is a finished edge, clips are used. If there is a cut edge, self-adhesive spacer blocks are needed. When the cut edge panel is in place, the panel is secured with a fastener and touched up. CERACLAD siding protects against rain, ultraviolet light, and has a ventilation system to keep moisture out.